You have clicked on this video most probably because you are a social media manager yourself or you're managing your own multiple social media platforms. Stay tuned because you've landed on the right place, and I'm going to share some time and efforts saving tools that will reduce your daily workload and help you be more productive at work. What's up, my social tribe? I'm Dr. Khushbu Pandya, your social media bestie. I started my career as a freelancer in 2008 to now becoming the social boss. Hence, I'll be sharing everything I learned in my decade-long journey to help you earn more and create your financial freedom. So the first tool that every social media manager should use is Airtable. You might have seen or heard me talking about Airtable on my social media because that's what I have been using a lot for managing my own social media plus my clients' social media as well. Airtable is basically a simple looking tool which is much more similar to MS Excel or Google Spreadsheet, but with some amazing collaboration features. I use this tool majorly for content planning. All my content, be it a video script, IG captions, competitive research, documenting KPIs for each month, influencer management, brand deals management, template drafts, etc. I even record my company's financials in Airtable. This tool also offers various views for easy understanding of your plan. You can view the table format just like MS Excel, timeline format, calendar format, or Kanban format. You can share the base with your team and work together on the same plan. You can even integrate automations with Airtable like scheduling posts to social media sites, send emails to your lists, and much more. I can keep going about what Airtable can do, so let me know in the comments if you want a detailed Airtable tutorial. I'm dropping a link in the description to get started with Airtable. The next tool in my list is Canva. I have been using Canva since its launch. If you ask me, I would say the one investment that you can make blindly for your business, Canva Pro is the best. But for starters, you can use them for free as well. Canva can design almost everything that you need to run a social media successfully. Not only social media, it helps design websites, presentations, brochures, and other marketing collaterals, brand identity, and much more. Canva does not stay limited to just images. You can create videos for your Reels, Shorts, or YouTube. There are integrations available like pixels for copyright-free images and videos. You can add transitions, GIFs, create memes, and the list is long. This one tool is enough to be your content partner because seriously, creativity is limitless here. Let me clarify that this isn't a sponsored ad for Canva or neither for Airtable. I genuinely love these products and have been using this for myself for many years, so I can vouch for it. If you are a social media service provider, I have something special for you. You can grab my social media proposal template, which you can use to pitch clients. Find the link in the description below. The third tool that is a savior for every social media professional is Answer the Public. Now, you might have heard about this website from a lot of other people or videos or reels, but let me tell you how it exactly should be used and what it does. This is the best website to come up with amazing content ideas around your topic or niche. Let's say my client is a rose syrup brand. I'll go to the website and just search for the term rose syrup. The results will amaze you. It will give you visualizations about search term in the form of popular questions, prepositions, comparisons, alphabeticals, and related terms. I can now frame my content pieces for the client based on these search results, which might be the pain points for my clients' customers. I use this tool for researching different keywords to understand the customer psychology and different combinations of related keywords. This broadens my perspective towards the product and also expands my vision to write content for them. Once you use this website, I'm sure you will never complain about the content ideas because you'll never run out of the content ideas ever. And that's a wrap. Let me know if this info was useful to you in your social media management journey. Also, comment below if you're using any tools or softwares that you think are better than the ones mentioned in this video. Until the next time, keep spreading and sharing good vibes globally. Bye-bye.